close till.
Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm Serena and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make marble cake very easily at your home. So before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes every Sunday, and now let's get started. So to make the marble cake you require 1 and 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup caster sugar, half cup butter in room temperature, half cup milk in room temperature, 2 eggs in room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, then another 1.5 tablespoons of milk. Sift the flour and the baking powder in a bowl.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on
Stir it well and keep it aside.
we'll go.
In another bowl, mix half cup of milk and vanilla essence.
Wastelands through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Stir it well and keep it aside. In another bowl, take the butter and the caster sugar.
Sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the
Cream the butter and sugar together using a whisk or a hand blender.
and on we'll go.
Then beat in 1 egg at a time. Add the flour mixture and the milk mixture alternately and beat it.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Scrape the edges of the bowl and beat it for the last time.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Divide the cake batter in 2 bowls.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Then add the cocoa powder paste in one of the bowls and blend it together using a hand blender.
What's left, and on we'll go.
Pour the batter in a 6-inch round baking tin greased and dusted with flour or lined with parchment paper. Pour the vanilla batter and chocolate batter alternately.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
First create swirls in the bottom of the tin using a toothpick, then continue adding the 2 batters alternately. You don't actually require to be perfect to make this cake. You just have to pour the vanilla and chocolate cake batter alternately and then create swirls using a toothpick.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Tap the tin on the counter to prevent any air bubbles. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once your cake is out of the oven, let it cool in the tin itself for about 10 minutes and then demold it.
On we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be, or you can even send me the pictures of your marble cake on Instagram. I would love to see it. The link of my Instagram account is given below in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video.